Welcome to your morning practice. This quick yoga stretch sequence is here for you if you're short on time but still want to start your day off with a nice stretch to release tightness and stiffness and to give yourself a moment and some space to ground. Thank you for joining me on this journey of mastering our relaxation. You can always skip or modify any of the postures if they do not work for you today. I won't be using any props in today's practice, but feel free to keep your props near just in case you need them. And remember, your body is the guru. Honor and listen to it. Let's get right into our practice. Let's start off supine on our back. Bring the soles of the feet onto the ground and bring the feet a little bit wider than the hips, toes pointed forward, and let the knees rest in on each other. Place your hands where you like, by your sides with the palms facing up, or you can cactus them up overhead like I am. Allow the back to relax. Feel the points of the body that are making contact with the ground. Stay here or lengthen the body into a pencil shape. Take any movement that feels good, stretching your body out in this way. Point the toes, flex the toes, rotate the wrists, wiggle out the hips from side to side, releasing the hips and the lower back. Draw both knees in towards the chest for wind pose. Release the hips in the lower back, and if it feels good, rock from side to side. Let's take a modified legs up the wall. Stretch the legs up straight, and depending on how the hamstrings feel, you might want to keep a nice deep bend in the knees and point and flex the toes. Take any movement in the morning that feels good. You can stretch the arms up overhead while the legs are up. Hug the left knee in towards the chest and release the right leg down straight. Release the shoulders, the upper back, mid back, and lower back. And I invite you to take some nice deep breaths, breathing your body and releasing tension. We're going to move into a spinal twist. Shift onto the right hip and let the left knee fall over towards the right. Cactus the arms up overhead or bring the arms out into a T. Or you can leave the right hand resting on the left knee. This may be the first movement that you're doing today. Don't feel pressure to move into the deepest expression of the poses. We're going to release, but keep the left leg as is. Roll over onto the right side of the body to end up prone on your stomach, taking half frog. Allow the pelvis to relax towards the ground. Relax the inner muscles of the left leg and the left hip, and rest down on the right side of your cheek. Feel the rise and the fall of the stomach as it pushes into the ground. And to release, we'll thread the right arm right under the left arm and work our way backwards. So rolling back onto the back in our spinal twist position and then releasing flat onto the back. We'll take the same movement on the opposite side. Hug the right knee in towards the chest. Find the position that works for you this morning with the left leg. Scan the body and make sure that your muscles are relaxed and that you're not holding any muscles of the face, the neck, or the shoulders. To move into our spinal twist, we'll shift onto the left hip, drop the right knee over to the left. Place your arms where it feels good today. I like to place it up overhead to get a nice chest stretch. We're going to come into half frog, rolling all the way over towards the left, ending up on your stomach. Press down on the left cheek and keep a 90-degree angle in the right knee. Soften the muscles of the inner right leg and the right hip. Lift the head to release and thread the left arm under the right arm. Roll onto your back, ending up in that spinal twist position. And then release all the way onto your back. Hug the knees in towards the chest. Grab the outer edges of the feet and bring the soles of the feet together. Push the knees away from the shoulders. And it may feel good to stay here. If you want to get a little bit deeper into the hips and the legs, you'll open up the legs into happy baby pose. Rocking from side to side opens up the back body and gives you a massage at the same time. Release the legs. Bend the knees in towards the chest and grab a hold behind the thighs. And then rock and roll back and forth on the spine to come up to a seated position, and then roll over the legs and find your way into downward facing dog. Spread the fingers nice and wide, the wrists are under the shoulders. Tuck the back toes under, push the hips up and back, and send your belly towards your upper thighs. Keep a nice deep bend in the knees, and then begin to walk your dog, pedaling out through the legs. And you can start to exaggerate the movement by taking the hips all the way over to one side and dropping the heels to one side to get a nice side body stretch. Release the knees down. And just sit on your calves or find easy seated pose. We're going to roll the shoulders out. Take the shoulders up by the ears, around and back. As you roll your shoulders out, really try to bring the tips of your scapulas to touch each other. Release your shoulder rotations and interlace the fingers behind the lower back. Draw the shoulder heads back and down, stretching into the chest, tops of the shoulders and the neck. Let's release and end here. You can still get a beneficial and valuable practice even when you're short on time. Thank you for joining me for this quick morning practice. Peace and ease to you.